Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's yoga session to reduce fatigue. If you want to unwind after a long busy day or simply center yourself, then this set of 5 asanas will help reset your body and mind in under 10 minutes. So we'll begin the session by placing our left palm over our right. The tip of your thumb come to touch, pointing in the direction of your nose. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, close your eyes. Stay here, just noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Release your hands. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Now come to sitting with your legs extended out. Adjust if you need to. Bend your right foot. Place the right foot on the outside of your left knee. Maintain that length in your spine. And now, with your left hand, you're going to wrap it around your right knee. So your right knee is in the crook of your left elbow. Turn and twist. Look towards the right side of the room. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, trying to twist further. You're going to stay here for about 5 breaths. Inhale. Completely exhale through your mouth. Letting out a big sigh. This is going to help you relax all the muscles that you're holding tight, which is not necessary in this particular pose. So releasing any unnecessary tension. Again, inhale. Completely exhale. If you want to deepen the twist and you're comfortable in your neck, turn and look over your right shoulder. Stay there for 2 more breaths in and out. As you breathe in, come out of your twist, straighten the right leg. This time, left foot on the outside of your right knee. Place the left knee in the crook of your right elbow. Turn and twist. With every inhalation, you're sitting taller. Exhale to twist deeper. Notice if you're holding unnecessary tension in your body. With every exhalation, trying to release the tension. The next time you breathe out, see if you can look over that left shoulder. Now as you breathe in, come out of your twist. From here, you're going to swing your legs to one side. Come to lying on your abdomen. Palms come beneath your shoulders. Just widen your legs slightly so you have the space for this sacrum to move. As you inhale, slowly come up. Completely exhale. Try to relax the shoulders, bend the elbow. You don't have to come all this way up. See what's comfortable for you. Stay there. Breathe out. I'm going to stay here for 3 more. Very slowly lower into the mat. Now stack your forearms one over the other. Rest your forehead and then widen your legs further. Trying to bring the inside arches of your foot to rest on the mat. Come to a resting position in Makarasana. Coral pose. If you need to adjust. You can stay here for about a minute. This pose is great to reduce tension, calm your nervous system. It's great for your heart health. Stay with your breath. Notice any areas that feel tensed, bringing your awareness to that area. And as you exhale, letting go of the tension. On days that you think you need a little more extra, stay here for about a minute or two. Now slowly bringing both your legs together. Send your hips towards your heel. A nice stretch for your lower back. Swing your legs to one side. Roll down to lying on your back. Bring both your hands beneath your hips. And then take both your legs up in the direction of the ceiling. Remember, your lower back is rested. Your shoulder blades are open. There's no tension in your neck. You can also do this by resting your legs against the wall. This is great for days when you've been on your feet for long hours. Stay here again. Completely exhale through your mouth. You can also release your hands here. Noticing your breath. Slowly bend your knees. Drop your feet and then extend your right leg to the right corner, left to the left corner, arms to the side, to the top corners of the room. Get really comfortable lying down in this 5-pointed star pose. Stay here, just noticing how your body feels as you breathe in, pushing your belly in the direction of the ceiling. And as you exhale, just letting your abdomen sink back towards the spine. We're going to inhale for 1, belly moves up. Exhale for 2. Continue counting until 10. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 4. Count in your mind. It's completely okay to lose counts or get distracted. Just come back to your breath and begin counting from where you stopped. Once you're done with 10, slowly bring both your legs together. Arms rest next to you. Turn over to the right side and come up to sitting. Thank you so much for joining me today. Try to make this a part of your routine, especially on busy days. I would love to hear what you felt about the session in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.